Hi everyone, my name is Mike and welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm a broker associate and realtor at Preferred Real Estate Brokers, and today we're going to show you this home behind me. We are currently in Oakland, which is in the Winter Garden area of Florida, a little bit west of Orlando. The home behind me was built by David Weekley. It's going to be actually a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home with a little bit over 2,600 square feet of living. Now, we're going to show you the model home behind us, but they have inventory homes available. The inventory homes of this specific model, you're looking at around $900,000 all in for the inventory homes. But remember, the cabinetry and also the colors and all that will be different than the model home. If you are interested in getting more up-to-date information on pricing and availability, make sure you give us a call. My phone number is 407-487-3030. One of the realtors on our team will be more than happy to help you out, get you all the current information. So let's go ahead and take a look at this home. So as I turn around, obviously we come up to this really nice grand entryway. It has some steps going up, and of course we have these nice pillars going all the way around to this really nice front porch area. So they have all this with the nice gray color going throughout. And of course, as I go over here to the left, we have this really nice living area, outdoor living area. It's really nice. It's a nice day today here in Florida, and in this area where it's shaded, it feels really good. So we have a couple swings going on here, of course, and of course a little couple tables. So you can come out here and enjoy the Florida weather, have a nice cup of coffee, have a drink at night, say hi to your neighbors. We even have Antonio over there. He does our Spanish channel, so wave Antonio, there you go. So we'll do that in Spanish as well, so you can wave to your neighbors or Antonio, whoever's out there. And of course, as we come up here, we have some really nice siding as well on the actual home, and we have this blue door. So let's go ahead and go inside and check out the rest of this home. All right, so welcome into this beautiful home. So as I close the door behind me, the first thing I notice, of course, are the really nice solid flooring going all the way throughout, really nice brown color as we see, which goes really good with the white walls. And over here to my right is going to be an office. I have this set up as an office. You can put some French doors there if you want it, or leave it open as it is. They have a really cool accent wall here. Now, if you're watching this, you're not interested in buying a home here in the Florida area, watching these videos gives you some really good ideas for your home, like how you can just use paint and a little bit of woodwork to really make a specific room pop. Of course, we have the windows looking out here to the side. We even have a little storage area behind this door as well. So as we come this direction, this will be the view as you come into the home. And over here to the left will be a half bath. I love this half bath. I like how they did the tile like halfway up with those hexagon tiles, little small hexagon tiles, and the woodworking framing it all around. Of course, we have the pedestal sink there as well. Now, as we come back this direction, on the other side, on the left, will be an actual dining room. It's currently set up for a 6-person setup. We have French doors going out to that front porch area. That'd be really cool in the evening. Open that up, have some dinner, go out there and enjoy some drinks. And then we do have this really nice built-in. So this will be like an example of what may not come with an actual inventory home, but they have this really nice cabinet, of course, the countertop, a couple windows here, and then some floating shelves with looks like shiplap going across in the gray color. So that's pretty neat. Now we see the kitchen. This is a beautiful, beautiful kitchen. We have the center island that's huge with this beautiful countertop. And of course, we have the dark color, dark brown actual cabinetry going all the way around. Now, if I go on the other side, we see we have the lighter color cabinet here, which is very common in very luxurious homes. We see the 2 different colors between the center island and the rest of the cabinets. So as we go through, the cabinets go all the way up to the ceiling. They have some crown molding around. And of course, the backsplash, I like, they have it like sort of horizontal and vertical little rectangles in square shapes going all the way through, all the way up to the ceiling. And of course, we have a 5-burner gas stove top. We have the air vent, and then it continues to go through. Now on the other side, we do have this really nice sized sink, great faucet, definitely upgraded. Couple really cool pendant lights above us, and then of course the dishwasher. As we continue, we do have our GE profile oven and microwave, and then of course the refrigerator. Now behind this door is the pantry. Open it up so you can see sort of the space that you have in the pantry. But of course, you have plenty of cabinet spaces throughout the whole rest of the kitchen as well. Behind me is the family room. So the family room has some really cool beams going across that are dark brown, so it gets a really cool little look. Of course, you also see the stairs going up to the 2nd floor, and then we have plenty of space here to do it. We even have a Labrador retriever sitting there in the corner as well. Nice TV, and then of course the actual wall with the woodworking that you saw in the other one, but this one's painted the same sort of color, like a beige color, which sort of goes. And we even have an Antonio sitting over here checking his messages on Facebook or wherever he might be doing as well. So as we continue, we have like a little cool little sitting area over here. They have it set up right now for wine glasses, so you can sit here in the evening and enjoy it. And of course, right next to this is going to be a door going, this will be going outside to like an outside patio area that they have, and then it goes into the rear entry garage on the back of the home. Now, right next to it, this one does have the primary suite on the first floor. So let's go ahead and go into primary suite, goes in here, comes out there. So let's go ahead and go in here. And you can see that we have the king size bed, couple end tables on either side. Cool woodworking going on there. Even that would be pretty easy to do and really make a big difference in a house, doing that beige color and then the light gray bluish color above it. So pretty cool little design features you can have. They have hanging lights on either side, so not table lamps, but roof lamps here. And then of course we go over into the primary bathroom. So we go and we leave that wood floor and then we come into some really nice ceramic tile floor into this area. So let's go ahead and come this direction first and show you what we have here. So this will be the closet. So they have plenty of space here to put all your stuff that you may need for your closet supplies. This is your towel linen closet. And then of course we have our cabinets here with the dual sinks, nice solid countertop, and of course mirror and lights. Right next to that is going to be the shower. The shower has some really cool ceramic tile and it goes all the way up to the ceiling with this really cool decorative tile in the middle that I think really looks great. And plenty of space. We even have a window up there for some natural light, but still gets you privacy. Now over on the other side, we do have the water closet. So as I open this up, you open it up and you can see you have plenty of space there for your water closet. And then right there is a closet. Right here is your actual laundry room. So this is nice and convenient. You can come here, you have your washer, your dryer, and of course you have some shelves here. They did a nice bluish gray wall here as well. So even in the laundry room, they've done some really cool interior design touches. So follow me. What we'll do is go ahead and check out the second floor. Now, if you haven't done already, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel if you're looking to buy or sell a home here in Florida, or if you just like looking at cool homes. It's a great channel to watch. So let's go ahead and go upstairs. I'll see you up there. All right, so here we are on the second floor of this home. We have some really nice high quality carpet. We actually have a really cool area here where we go up a couple steps and we're sort of in a raised loft area that is a large loft area. So they had one home like this actually in Laureate Park as well that I really liked over in the Lake Nona area. But as you can see here, you have plenty of area to lounge around. You have the TV here, be a great game room for the kids. So you have an area downstairs where the adults can hang out. You have an area up here where the kids can hang out. I think I would probably hang out up here instead because I think I like this room a little bit better than the downstairs one. So as we come down, all the rest of it are bedrooms. So let's go ahead and go right and show you each of the bedrooms. So this will be bedroom number 2. And then this one here has a bed in the middle, a couple end tables. They've done it looks like a light purplish wall on that side, which is a nice little touch, little basic touch. And also we have a closet which is sort of beige. All these little blue things you see are actual painter's tape where they see some defects in actually the wall. If you buy a new home, we get to go through with blue tape and blue tape it up. So they see little defects in the paint, they put it there so they can fix, just so you understand what's going on, because you're probably like, what's going on with all that is blue dots. And then over here to the right, so this will be a full bathroom. So we do have the white cabinets, countertops, mirror, and then light. They have a really dark turquoise paint job on here, and then of course the tub, and then we have subway tile going up as well. So full bathroom. And then the next stop would be bedroom number 3. This one's got a cool little mural there of looks like rappelling and rock climbing. They have books here, so just in case you don't know, it's rappelling and rock climbing. They even have extra rope here. So if you wanted to rappel out well, you can rappel out that window, there's a roof there, but if you wanted to rappel out that window, you'll be all set because you have the instruction manual and then you also have the ropes to go for it. So you're good to go if you want to escape your parents and go out there, you got that all set. So anyway, let's go ahead. This is just a storage area, so you can store towels and stuff in there. They just have baskets in there right now. This is the air handler, so there's an air handler there. You can't really store anything in that room. And then this is bedroom number 4, which is a cool bedroom because it has its own bedroom suite. So not only do you have a bed here, plenty of windows. Over on the other side, we have a little area, a little nook, as you could call it, that goes in where you can get your homework done or have a little office work done. But not only that, this one's got a couple other cool features. The first one will be over here, which will be a walk-in closet. Walk-in closet even has a window for natural light. And then you have your own bathroom, so it's your own suite. So this is the bedroom everyone would probably want. A nice sort of dark gray tile, beige cabinets, white countertop, mirror lights, and of course I love the bluish gray color. It's a really popular color. And of course we have a tub and a tile all the way through. So that is this home. Again, a little bit over 2,600 square feet. You're looking about 900,000 bucks. If you have it with all these upgrades, maybe a little bit more than that. And of course, if you're watching this and it's not June 15th, 2022, the price is probably going to be a little bit higher. Make sure you give us a call at 407-487-3030. Be more than happy to get you all the current information. We have some great realtors that work on our team at the MELLO Group. And I want to thank you all for watching all the way to the end. Take care. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.